Hi guys, welcome back to Shami Eats and Treats. I have I guess you can call this a treat, something different. We're going through my pantry today. It's a mess. I'm not proud of it, but sometimes that's what happens. And everything is kind of thrown up and about. You can see I have some containers, some bags, they're just kind of thrown there. So I have some boxes that I bought, some containers as well. See those big containers down there? So I'm gonna wash all of that and put those aside and get them all unpacked so we can get this nice and organized. Now look at the difference. I have here all of my bags and plastic wrap and condiment refills, and then the cups, as you can see. Now here in the middle I had bought containers. I like that they're all the same size. Those are for my dry goods. I have a couple of those not cake stands, but canned stands. I put them for the cans because I don't have that many cans, so it kind of really worked perfectly. I have a bunch of these turntables. One of them I put for cooking, as you see here. And then one I put for my baking. I like to separate them out, it makes it a bit easier. And then I have another one, those are just the refills, and those are the extras because they're nice. They're big, so they couldn't fit on the bottom. Those are my breakfast cans, my breakfast shelf. See, now this turntable has my different honeys. The basket has more nuts and chips. That turntable has the almond butter and the peanut butter and Nutella. And those cereal boxes are just huge. I couldn't figure out how else to put them. These baskets, we have a basket for nuts and a basket for bread. And then here I have my containers that help me stand our little snacks. And then that basket has my different kinds of chocolates. I have the chocolates, the chocolate covered raisins and the chocolate covered almonds. Here I love these. I think this is one of my favorite items because I get my flour from Costco, my oversized Tilda rice bag, so I need large containers for these. And then the third one is the Costco size sugar.